Mail Panda review. Hi guys, what's up? This is Arvind from arvind-naya.com and a warm welcome to Mail Panda review and demo. As you can see, I am inside the members area, and in this video, I will exactly run through what this product is all about and how it operates. And also, I will show you some exclusive bonus I have created for you. So please stay tuned till the end of this video. And also, if you like my video, give a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So before jumping into the members area, I would like to summarize or a one-line summary what Mail Panda is all about. So Mail Panda, in a one-line summary, is a cloud-based, a very powerful email marketing automation tool. So that's a one-line summary. So what it do is it does all the function of an autoresponder. It can create groups, it can actually block emails, it can actually create suppression groups, it can also create multiple campaigns using the standard template which is available inside MailPanda. So in a one line summary, it's a all inclusive email marketing tool which is more than or much more than an autoresponder. So as you know, there are many autoresponders which are currently available in the market, but they're all good. There is no doubt about it. But the flip side of it is you need to pay a monthly subscription or you need to pay an annual fees, whichever is convenient. But we need to pay that upfront. So there is no upfront payment, but we need to make a monthly subscription or an annually payment, and which would be in the range between 50 to $100 per month, depending on the number of users you have. But in this particular Mail Panda, it is much more powerful than the normal autoresponders. It does all the function of the autoresponders, plus it has got a one-time payment. I will come to the prices later. So that's the one-line summary. I think I have briefed much more. It's not a one-line summary. So that's a summary in kind of a bird's eye view. But let me quickly tell you more about MailPanda. So MailPanda is a new cloud-based technology allowing you to send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers for one-time fees. As I told, it is much. There is no such offers currently available with any of the email marketing tools out like Aweber or GetResponse, Mailchimp, etc., etc. So this is the one line summary. I've again tried to summarize it. MailPanda is a premium email marketing automation software that enables you to send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers direct to their inbox. MailPanda comes with highly proven converting email templates and easiest inline editors too. It starts getting more open sales, clicks, and conversion from leads you already have. It all takes only just 3 steps. So you need to. There are various methods. You can actually import your list. You can actually add a new subscriber to your to MailPanda, and it's all within seconds. You can actually start running MailPanda within a fraction of seconds. Maybe within 30 to 1 minute, based on how quickly you can install and get things going. Now, some of the features are, it has got an overview dashboard, email list management, which will basically manage email list subscribers, list segment, custom fields, list forms, and list pages. Email list tools, which will, split a large list into multiple smaller ones or sync existing email list. You can also blackmail email blacklists. So email blacklist that applies to each email belongs to customer. Therefore, email address listed here will never receive any communication. As you know, sometimes customers either ask you to take them off the list, or sometimes there are some creepy customers you don't want to send those mails. So that could be also done over here. Drag and drop editor. I'm not going again into that detail because it has got set templates over there. So you can actually make create your templates over there. Again, suppression list can be selected per campaign basis so that the campaign does not send subscribers in the selected suppression list. So it's almost like a blacklisting, but blacklisting is something which you take a positive step not to send them, or they request you. But suppression list is that in a particular list you don't want to have certain subscribers not to receive that particular email. That also could be done. So that's about subscription list. Then you got campaign management, where you can actually manage regular campaigns, autoresponder or recurring campaigns. Then you have got email box monitors. You can use domains to send those. You can actually set up those inside MailPanda as well. And of course, you have got the API key integration. So API key integration basically will allow you to connect to external applications. For example, if you're running ads or if you're running, any webinars, all those things, you can actually collect those to MailPanda using API keys. So that's all there. So as I told, it's much more powerful than a normal marketing automation tool which is currently available in the market. But in all essence, this is much more advantage in the sense it is a one-time payment you need to make. Of course, there are other upgrades as well, but I'll come to the prices in a bit. Now, what I'll do is I'll going to take you through the sales page. So this is a sales page. It looks like. Again, sorry, I missed updating. Before coming to sales pitch, let me update you about my bonuses. So I'm going to give you some juicy exclusive bonuses if you get this particular product. If you're interested, through my link down below in the description, in the YouTube, if you're watching through YouTube, or if you are getting through the emails, you can see on this page. So this is the first bonus. Bonus number one is 3 weeks to make money every single hour. So this is a exact replica. I'm going to tell you how you can actually make money, real money, in a single hour using this particular technique. So that's the first bonus I'm going to give you. The second bonus is 10 tips to profit from email marketing. So as you know, still email marketing is the strongest available techniques currently in any marketing, internet or e-commerce business. You need to be very clear in what you need to communicate to the customers, what are the simple steps you need to take care so that your subscribers stay with you or stay with your list. So these techniques and these tips are very, very critical, because down the line, your subscribers are your asset, and as you know, money is in the list. So you need to make sure that whatever you send has to be of value to these customers, and they actually want to open these emails. So this is very key. If they don't open, if they don't they unsubscribe, then what will happen is your click rate, your open rate will come down, and effectively the email host like Gmail or any other emails, they will try not to send those emails to their inbox directly, but they will try to put them in spam, which effectively will have an impact on your overall business. So this particular bonus will help you to exactly know how to create an ultimate email marketing techniques, and also what are the key points to be remembered while doing an email marketing. So that's a bonus number two. Bonus number three is profit via social media content creation. So this is another way you can actually monetize your social content, social media content. So if you share something, how you can actually monetize, all those tips and techniques are I've given in this particular bonus. So there's a bonus number three. The bonus number four is, as you know, many people have basically asked to me, is there any way to become a good affiliate marketing person, or how to be a super affiliate marketer in ClickBank. It's not that one line sentence I can tell, but this bonus will help you to reach that goal. And I have exactly given the ClickBank marketing techniques here. And ClickBank is the number one, what you call, market currently available. So all the products which is got in various niches are available. So I'm giving the bonus for bonus number four as becoming a ClickBank super affiliate. So this will help you to reach that goal. Bonus number five is get traffic by creating quizzes, polls, articles. So now this is a very, very interesting, or when I say interesting in the terms of very, very uh, what you call eye-catching thing, which is currently being used in Facebook, in Facebook organic growth, in YouTube as well, and also in many, many what you call in websites. So basically, they create polls, they create quizzes, they create articles so that they engage more with the customers. And there is a survey which has recently happened which says that people tend to interact with quizzes more than just sending emails and not getting much interactions. So this bonus will help you to create instant quizzes, instant polls, instant articles, and then you can get more interactive with your customers. And also it'll have this particular bonus is a software which will also have CTA buttons included, so you can actually, based on that quiz, you can actually ask them to take action, and you can actually put them to your money pages or your website, whatever you call it, and you can actually subscribe, get profiting out of it based on this particular bonus, right? So that's a bonus number 5. The bonus number 6 is I'm going to give you 2,500 email swipes. It's not template. So as you know, the email writing, as I told again, is a technique. You need to make sure whatever you write has to be correct. Otherwise, what will happen, if there are certain words which are used, it goes and sits in spam. For example, if you put for weight management or weight loss niche, if you say fat, certain words, what will happen is it immediately puts to your spam folder, because those words will be clearly segregated by Gmails or your email managers, and they will try to put those emails into spam. So these emails are swipes, not just templates. It contains the complete body. I'm giving you 2,500 email swipes, so you don't have to do any work. You need to just take those, copy paste it, and use to any niche, any type of niches you are. All the email swipes are available. So that's a bonus number 6. And bonus number 7, sorry, yes, is all your vendor bonuses. So vendor has also promised, I think, close to 7 or 8 bonuses. You're going to get all those bonuses as part of this. So as again, I'm telling you, what you need to do is click on the description. In the description, there is a link which is there in the description. It will take you through my bonus page. It will come to my bonus page, and if you can click on any of those green buttons over here, as you can see, you can click on any of the green buttons. It will take you through the sales page, which is this. And once you click on the sales page, click on this particular instant access, it will take you through Warrior Plus, which is the market which is hosted, which is the marketplace. And once you make a purchase, under your purchase history, you will see access your affiliate bonuses. If you click on that link, you will get all my bonuses along with the vendor bonuses right over there, free for you to access. So that's about my bonus. Again, please make sure you get these before the countdown timer hits 0, because once the countdown timer hits 0, my bonuses would expire, and I really don't want you guys to miss on this, because I've created exclusively for you. You will not find these bonuses anywhere else. If you want, you can go and shop around, you can look around, but if you want, you can still come back, because nobody is going to offer you these exclusive bonuses which I've created for you guys. So that's about the bonuses. This product is going to be launched on I think it's on, yes, it's on 16th December. That's on Wednesday, 11 a.m. EST. And the links would be active from 16th December, 11 a.m. And once the links are active, you can go and purchase this particular product. So yeah, so that's about my bonuses. Now again, coming back to the sales page, as I told, you can click on any of my bonus links over here. It will take you through sales page. So this is again a typical sales page. I don't want to take time. I will cut the bullshit and I'll come straight to the point. But again, it talks about some of the issues and how they overcome these challenges. Yeah, but what I want to show you is in terms of some of the 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 features. Yeah, so you can say these are basically the current competitors: GetResponse, Aweber, and Mailchimp. So you can see you have got unlimited emails, you got list cleansing, one-time fees, unlimited subscribers, unlimited leads, newbie friendly video training. You have got multiple SMT support, campaign segmentation, subscriber segmentation, newsletter creation, personalization, suppression list, custom field, advanced subscriber management, a regular system updates, sending media through emails, autoresponder scheduling, inline editor, web form templates, high converting email templates, activity tracker. So these are something which is only available to MailPanda. Activity tracker. You have got exclusive bonuses, commercial license. It's also included custom form, delivery tracking, image library, email tracking. It has got spam score checker, 100% secure system and backup, single option and payment, GDPR compliance, and prices. Don't worry about this price. I'll come to that during the launch period. It's a different price, but basically it has got much more features than any of their nearby competitors, right? You can see all those over here. So this is what I wanted to basically show you. But again, there is a 100-day money back guarantee again on this. 100 days money back guarantee. So it's still worth trying this. If you are still have a doubt, you can go and actually do it. But these are the bonuses again. The vendor has promised, bonus 1, bonus 2, bonus 3, bonus 4, bonus 5, bonus 6, bonus 7, and bonus 8. Yeah. So these are the bonuses which is already available, not available, which is going to be as part of the vendor bonuses. So this is a sales page. Now coming into the meat of this particular uh, uh, the video is the members area. So you can see as I'm inside the members area, so you can see towards the right, you can actually search anything. You can actually see whether any emails are there, and also there is a placeholder where you can actually see what is the usage, how many lists you have got, how many campaigns you have done so far, subscribers, delivery servers, bound servers, and feedback servers. All those can be done here. Now this is the dashboard. It'll show you how many campaigns I have set up so far, how many lists I've got, how many subscribers I've got, what are the templates I've used so far. So that's it. And you can also see what are the recent activities I have created. So let me first scroll down all these things quickly. So you have the dashboard, which you are here. Then you have got the list. So this is where you can actually create a list. I will come to it. What are the various tools available? What are the email blacklist you can do here over here? And you can also create a suppression list. So that's about the list. Then you have got the campaign, so you can actually set all the campaigns. Under all campaigns, you will have multiple campaigns set up, like regular campaigns, autoresponder. Basically, I don't have to explain, but you can actually set the time and schedule, and also set a particular list or group that can be done. You can actually create a group, you can actually get the statistics, you can also get geo opens and custom tags also there. So that's about the campaigns. Then this is where it is very interesting. You got the email template. So there are standard email templates as well as part of this particular product. You can use from any of those. Then you have got the servers where you need to connect to your SMTP, is how it is done here. Then you can actually configure your domain as well if you want. Otherwise also it's fine. So if you want to create or connect your domain, so that some of your customers would like, or majority, not customers, majority of the emails, if it is coming from a domain, it will be good, because the success rate of that landing into the inbox is much higher. So that's where you can actually do. Then this is how you can actually get the API keys. This is if you want to do a survey, you can take a survey using this particular module. Then if by any chance you're just not following what I'm just telling, because it's a short video I'm trying to make, and for more details, you can actually get all the video trainings available inside this. Step-by-step training for all those things are available here. Then all the vendor bonuses, which I've just shown you in the sales page, is also here. And then in case of any support, you can actually reach to them, and then you can actually get email support as well. So quickly, I'm not going to create any campaigns. As I told, I'm going to give you a gist of it, just a walkthrough. So if you click on list, so there is also already a list created. Either you can actually create a new, or you can actually export from this list, or also you can actually get archived list, or you can export the list from outside. So if you create a list, Yeah, so you can give all the data information here, from which what is the name, what is the display name, all those things you can actually give. And you can actually put the notifications over here. All those stuff could be done over here, and you can, if you want, you can give the company name, this, etc., etc. So it's the same thing which is used to create a list. So this list would be integrated with, any of your external parties, or you can actually use for a particular campaign. So you can create multiple lists for multiple campaigns. So that's about the list. Then there are tools over here. What are the various tools you can actually do? Again, if you want to email blacklist, you can actually do that. You can create a new one over here. You can import certain blacklisted emails over here. So that's about the list. Now campaigns, coming to the campaigns, you can again uh, create groups. You can create new groups over here. You can create not groups, sorry, you can create campaigns over here, and then you can choose a list which you have just created from here. So basically you can create the first list, and then for different campaigns, for example, you're running a weight loss campaign, or any niche, for example, make money online, whatever. So you can actually put that name over here, and you can actually choose a list, so that what will happen is all those subscribers coming from that particular niche, for example, if you're running a make money online, then all the subscribers will come into that particular list, and then you can actually segment your subscribers. So that's about the campaigns. Again, I don't want to go into details because it's very, very straightforward. Then you have got the email templates. If you go to the categories, so they have got, you can actually create the templates, however you want, and you can put the name. And there is also email templates. You can actually, you can upload the templates. You can create using drag and drop. All those things could be done. If you want to export it, also you can do that to any other, third-party providers as well. Now coming to servers, it's again delivery servers. If you want, you can put the host name, etc., etc. here, and this is where you connect your, integration with your SMTP servers if you want to do it. Otherwise, that's fine. Again, if you want to connect the domains, you can do it here. As I told, if you want to create an API keys, already my API keys are generated. If you want to create new, you can again create new. It will again create fresh API keys. But these keys are where you can actually take and integrate with third party interfaces, for example webinars, or any other third party tracking tool where you can actually potentially get those subscribers. Yeah, so you can actually do a survey over here. Then as I told, all the trainings are available here. Then you have got the bonuses. For anything, you can contact the support desk, or you can actually send an email as well. So this is in a quick walkthrough of what and how this product is all about, and how it does, and what it is expected to perform. I hope you got at least a fair amount of idea on how this whole product works. Now, again, I'm saying, again, reiterating, in case of any clarifications, they have a step-by-step training which is available. So please make use of it, because I don't want to keep this video long, right? So again, coming back to the my bonus page quickly. So the prices, the front end prices, it's starting for $19. So guys, $19, it's a no-brainer. You're getting all the bonuses which I've just shown you, all the features which is available for $19. If you compare any other autoresponder, they don't have unlimited emails, unlimited campaigns. They have got a set of subscribers, and beyond which you need to pay money. And also there is a monthly subscription close between $50 to $100, depending on which of the plans you're taking. All those stuff is there. So this is $19 for the front end, and this is available during the launch period. Upsell number one is Mail Panda Unlimited. I have no details. The vendor has not provided details on what this is all about. So I'm unfortunately I don't have much details. But the upsell number one is Mail Panda Unlimited. That's for $37. Upsell number two is Mail Panda Done for You. That is costing you $197. Upsell number three is Mail Panda Enterprise Edition. That's costing $47. Upsell number four is Done for You Blogs, which is costing you 67. Upsell number five is Mail Panda Premium Platinum Traffic, which is 67. Upsell number 6 is Mail Panda reseller agency right. So this is very straightforward. So you get the reseller and agency right 197, and upsell number 7 is Mail Panda white label, which is costing you $297. So again, all these things will be available once you, if you are interested in the upsells, and once you get the front end version, you will get all the details listed, but unfortunately I have not got any details from the product owner as of now. So that's about the prices, but again, $19, I think that's a bargain, guys. So with all their features, which all the autoresponders, this is something which is great. All right, so as in every videos I tell you some of the pros and cons. So the pros is segmentation. So this is something which is done. You can actually segment your customers, which is very key for any email marketing. You have got template editor with wide options. You have got newsletter scheduling based on different time zones. You have got autoresponder with multiple triggers, sending unlimited broadcasters. You have got autoresponders again. Yeah, software has been developed on latent technologies such as Node.js, RabbitMQ, Nginx, and which these allow your website to be fast and efficient. So one of the things which has got a drawback in some of your autoresponders are it makes your website slower. So that particular issue is resolved using these particular technologies. It has got high inbox deliverability, which will increase your open rate, which is very, very critical. Complete media integration, send media through emails, emoji integration in headlines, so you can actually integrate emojis in headlines, which will have more effect or more eye-catching effect on the subscribers. So people tend to open more than the normal email with no emojis. It's a fully cloud-based software. There is a spam score checker. That's again another added advantage which will help. But in other autoresponders also they do have, GDPR compliant, and there is a step-by-step train videos, and all those are covered for 100 days money back guarantee. Now, guys, so that's the pros, and this is it's a very amazing product. I will strongly recommend if you're looking to get an autoresponder, and with $19 you're getting a bargain. Anyway, so that's a pros. Now coming to the cons, some of the things are, how to have more templates email. So because once you have the subscribers, you need to send more emails, and also how to monetize those subscribers. Those are some of the I can't completely say those are something which is cons, but if you want to have a foolproof system, and if you want to profit out of it, those are some of the lacking things which I personally feel. It again depends on person to person, but that is where again, guys, my bonus come into picture. So I'm exactly telling you how to make monetize, how to make money out of your subscriber list. Again, some of the strong tips for email marketing, which will again build your subscribers. As you know, money is in the list, so more the subscribers, more the money. And again, how to profit out of social media content creation. Again, if you have a subscriber, you have the autoresponder, then you can use autoresponder, Mail Panda to effectively do a social media content creation. Yeah, and then I'm giving you on-site affiliate marketing techniques. Again, to engage with your subscribers, you can send all your subscribers to your quiz, polls, and articles, so that you can potentially tell them or make them to the money sites as well. This is another thing, 2,500 email swipes, guys. So these are all some of the my bonuses which will cover those pros, right? So that's about the review. I think you have liked my review. Again, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and I will be back with another review. Till then, cheers, bye.